iostudy.net.
Hello everyone, this is Danielle, and in this video we're going to learn about adjectives and adverbs. For example, quick and quickly. So as you can see on the mind map, we have two things to talk about, adjectives and adverbs. So let's begin with the first subject, which is adjectives. So we have examples and the function. So let's first talk about examples. So, for example, we have short and bad. And here are some examples of sentences. Our holiday was too short. And my exam results were very bad. So as you can see, we're using too short here and very bad. So those are examples of adjectives. Now let's look at the function of adjectives. So we use adjectives before nouns and verbs, especially be. And we use them after verbs, look and smell. So let's first talk about this one, used before nouns and verbs, especially be. So for example, Tom is a careful driver. And please be quiet. So as you can see, we're using these before the nouns and verbs, especially be. So now let's go on to use after verbs, look or smell. For example, you look so tired. And the dinner smells good. So the adjectives here are tired and good. So we're using them after look and smell. You look tired, the dinner smells good. Okay, so there's your mind map for using adjectives. You can come back to this whenever you need. Now let's go on to the other side where we will talk about adverbs. Adverbs. Here we have the form and the functions. So let's first look at the form. The form is, it's made from an adjective plus ly. And, for example, quick, quickly, careful, and carefully. So we can expand here to see some sentences. For example, he runs very quickly. And my father drives carefully. So as you can see here, quick went to quickly and careful went to carefully. So now we also have the functions for adverbs. Adverbs tell us how somebody does something or how something happens. So, example sentences. Mary dances beautifully. And we didn't go out because it was raining heavily. So as you can see here, we are using the adverb to tell us how somebody does something or how something happens. So we are describing. So here is the mind map for adjectives and adverbs. Now you have completed the mind map. So when you're ready with this, you can click here to find the outline. So here's your outline on adjectives and adverbs. So you can study these examples, go through this to learn more about how to use adjectives and adverbs in English grammar. So once you're done reading more information and examples of sentences, you can click here to take the test to practice English grammar rules for adjectives and adverbs. And in the next video, we will take the test together. So thanks for joining me in this video where we learned about the English grammar rules for adjectives and adverbs. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.